This video will demonstrate the Satloc API for Chem-Man. We have teamed up with Satloc to provide a faster, easier method of wirelessly transferring maps and applied log files to and from your Satloc G4 GPS. Once you have finished the software updates with Satloc, they should provide you with a master login to their Satloc Cloud. The Satloc Cloud is your middleman storage between Chem-Man and your G4 GPS, taking the place of your thumb drives and allowing you to send maps and logs through G4 wireless transfers. To activate the Satloc Cloud's connection with Chem-Man, you must first create a vendor-type user in Satloc Cloud. To do so, click on Users, bringing up your user list. Click on the Add User button and set the type to Vendor. Here, you can use a secondary email to create the vendor user. If you do not own another email to use, you can create a fictitious email. I recommend using your master user email and then just adding the word vendor to the end, like so. Then enter your password. Make sure to take note of both the email and the password. We will need both of these later. And then click register. Next, you will want to add your pilots and the vehicles that use the G4 GPS. When entering vehicle information, the TEL number is used in Chem-Man to select and send data to the vehicle. There are two ways to activate the Satloc API in Chem-Man. To allow any user with scheduling permissions to access, you will activate it for the whole store. To do so, go to Setup and then System Settings, and go to the Other Systems tab. Here, you should have a username and password option for Satloc. If you do not see this, please contact Chem-Man customer support. Here, you will enter your recently created vendor user for Satloc Cloud. Once entered, save the system settings. Alternatively, you can also activate the API for individual users by going to Utility, Manage Users, and then select Edit for the user you want to give access to. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then fill out the Satloc vendor email and password. Now that your accounts are linked, you will link your vehicles in Chem-Man. To do so, you will go to Vehicles, Manage Vehicles, and you can edit or add a vehicle. On the Vehicle Information screen, you should see a drop-down menu for Satloc Aircraft Association. Here, you will select the corresponding TEL number for your vehicle, linking it to the Satloc Cloud. And that will complete your setup for the Satloc API. Now we will walk through the process of how the API is used. The first step is to create a scheduled job like normal. Once you have created that job, you will then go to that job's applicator report. Scroll down to just below the locations map, and you will see an Upload to Satloc button. Clicking on this will allow you to select the appropriate aircraft to import the job to the Satloc Cloud, which then automatically sends it to the G4 device through a G4 wireless transfer. Once your pilot is finished, they will then be able to upload the log files wirelessly to Satloc Cloud through the G4 GPS, making them available to Chem-Man. To view and import these logs in Chem-Man, go to Utility, Upload Log Files. Here you will find an Import from Satloc button. Clicking this button will expand a menu of aircrafts on your Satloc Cloud. Select the correct aircraft and a screen will pop up. This screen will list all of the logs that were uploaded by the G4 of that vehicle. Log files you haven't yet imported will default as selected. You can select or deselect the log files until you only have the ones you wish to import, and then click on the Import button. This will import these selected files, allowing you to match them to their associated job like normal. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team. Thank you.